You do not have any hand sanitizer in here?
I don't think so. Muffin. What happened?
There's nobody in the room next to you. Okay, and you are, how do you say your last name?
Reese.
Okay, 'cause there's